a fork and a spoon that says rock and roll. Yay!
It's okay. You can help in just a minute, Ken.
Oh, look, you got another thing. What could it be, Kingston? What could it be? We're about to find out. Oh, it's a sippy. It's a sippy. You got a sippy cup. Whoa. We get Kingston has a big present. Oh, it's another thing. What open that one. See, I think it was open that.
Hi, baby.
Come on, present now.
A new sippy? That doesn't have anything in it, silly.
There's a color. And look, Kingston.
Here, press.
Christmas candy?
Next one. Kingston, do you want to open that? Wow. What do you think it's going to be? Do you think it's what you wanted for Christmas? If it is, did you want goldfish for Christmas?
Goldfishies.
You can open these for Kingston. Ask him what they are.
No, let Kingston try. Let Kingston try. Let's show him. Here, baby.
Kingston, try to open it. Try to open it.
Now he likes his goldfish.
Put your finger